Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Vola Finance app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Vola Finance app. If it's not working, you have to follow this simple step. Just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info of the app. So then here you have to scroll down at the last. So at here you can see the storage button. Just click on there. Then here you have to click on clear data and delete it. And you have to open the app again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So right here you have to go to the Google search bar, and here you have to search for the Vola Finance app. So from here you have to go and you can download the latest version of the app and use it, and it will not it will fix the error. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.